Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful.
Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel, Life Play Digital. So today's costume DIY is Zoey from Fortnite Season 4. And Fortnite's actually one of the most popular and fun games right now. And it is just awesome for costume ideas for how many costume, character, or skins that it has. And basically making where I couldn't choose just one. So I did choose a few, and you can catch those videos after this one. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to stop by that subscription button and also click the bell button next to it so that you'll know when I post new videos. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's get started with the leggings. Let me get up here. The classic Zoey leggings. So I actually did these by hand. So I started with the gray knit leggings, or the stretch leggings, and then I used fabric markers and drew this design here and the stripes and colored them in with the big jumbo marker. So, well, I like how they turned out. I mean, they turned out really good, but it took a little while. So honestly, striped white, black and white leggings would honestly work just fine. Alright, next is the skirt, the pink little pleated skirt here. So this actually started out as a t-shirt. So it was a double XL, and the bottom portion of it I cut 6 inches and 4 inches, made the pleats, and then sewed the straight 4-inch to the 6-inch pleated side, and then I added little round rhinestones like this, the plasticky ones here, to each pleat. Okay, so yeah, I made my skirt out of a t-shirt, but you can also just buy one from a store, which would be a lot easier, to be honest. I just wanted to have them completely matching, so I bought the sweatshirt and the t-shirt at the same time, the same brand, so that I knew the colors would be matching. So, why do I have this? Now, next is the top. So, it's just basically, it was a sweatshirt, a hoodie, pink, cyber pink I think it was called, and I cut the sleeves, as you can see, just like the character has, and then painted the green here and around the edges. Now I started off with some fabric paint first, but it kept soaking in and it was hard to see, so I ended up just going over it with some regular acrylic green. I'm sure it'll probably wash right out when I try to wash it by itself. But I needed it just for pretty much one night, so it should be fine. Then I added the brown straps that she has all the way around, and it was just some fabric that I had. It was kind of like a suede or a micro suede sort of looking kind of stuff. So I made that for the straps along with more rhinestones. And I did the same for this little part right here on the pouch. Okay, and then last but not least, of course, you're gonna need a wig with the green pigtails. Now, this one I had to actually combine two, because the one I got, it just didn't have quite enough hair on it, and so I got another one to make the pigtails and add it in so I could pull it up into pigtails so it wasn't, didn't look weird. So what I had to do was take the wefts off, or yeah, whatever, the hair, and they're on like what's called a track, which is basically just sewn together like this. So you want to take that off of one wig to add into the other, and you can just stitch it on. You can glue it on even if you want to. And now the hat was actually a child. I wasn't paying attention, and I got a youth one or a child one. So I was gonna have to cut it a little bit anyways for the pigtails, but I had to cut it a little bit more. So what I did is I just cut it down along the bottom edge here, you know, and then put that under the pigtail, the rest over it, and then I had to just tie a little extra piece of t-shirt material that matched the hat to tie it in the back or tie it down, but it worked. So, and then for the little peppermints here, I just used the sticky glitter foam. So this stuff here. So the red, I just made a circle. I did 2 circles the same size on each. The red one was just a solid circle. This one, I made the little peppermint swirls, and then cut them out, and then added them on top of the red, and then added it on the hat.
You shine like gold, so selfless to all, and while I can't anymore, no. Someone say I'm insane and they're right in the way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games.
It's warm in this sweatshirt. So it's the end of the video. I'm gonna get out of here and get changed before I die of heat exhaustion. Thank goodness the next 2 costumes are much cooler. And thank you so much everybody for watching. I will see you next video. And also let me know in the comments what your favorite Fortnite skin is. And yeah, everybody have an awesome day and happy costume making. Bye.
Take me somewhere I don't know. Give me your